minus 1, B 6 comma 5 are 2 points. The ratio in which the foot of the perpendicular from 4 comma 1 to AB divides it is. That means that A and B are any 2 points on a line. A and B are any 2 points. A is 2 comma minus 1 and B is 6 comma 5 are the 2 points in a line. If a point P 4 comma 1 is this one, the line drawn perpendicular to the AB. Here it is the foot of the perpendicular. The foot of the perpendicular divides AB in the ratio. That is the given question. The foot of the perpendicular Q divides AB in the ratio. So that's why we find the foot of the perpendicular, or otherwise the line which is perpendicular to AB. First of all, we try to find the perpendicular bisector over the perpendicular to AB. Slope AB is equal to y2 minus y1, 5 minus half minus plus 1 by 6 minus 2, that is 3 by 2. 6 by 4 means 3 by 2, that is the slope of AB. Slope of PQ is equal to minus 2 by 3, since PQ is perpendicular to AB. So that's why slope of PQ is minus 2 by 3. And the equation of PQ is y minus y1 means 1 is equal to minus 2 by 3 into x minus 4. Taking LCM, 3y minus 3 is equal to minus 2x plus 8. So that implies 2x minus 3y, plus 3y is equal to 11. That is the line PQ. PQ divides AB in the ratio m is to n. Let PQ divides AB in the ratio m is to n. So therefore m by n is equal to, we know that L11 by L22 is the ratio. So L11 means the point A lies on the given line, plus 2 plus 3 into minus 1 minus 11 by 2 into 6 plus 3 into 5 minus 11, that is equal to 4 minus 3, 1 minus 10 by 12 plus 15, 4, 16 minus 5 by 8. Minus 5 by 8 means the 2 points lies either side of the line PQ. So that's why ratio is 5:8. Required ratio is 5:8. The value of k such that the lines 2x minus 3y plus k is equal to 0, 3x minus 4y minus 13 is equal to 0, and 8x minus 11y minus 33 is equal to 0 are concurrent. That means if they do 0. So that's why we are applying the determinant form, that is 2 minus 3k, 3 minus 4 minus 13, 8 minus 11 minus 33. It is equal to 0. Then we say that the given lines are concurrent. If expanding this one, we get k is equal to minus 7. Minus 7 is the answer. Problem number 5. If 3a plus 2b plus 4c is equal to 0, then the lines ax plus by plus c is equal to 0 passes through the fixed point. Find the point. Here it is. We want to find the fixed point. So the given condition is 3a plus 2b plus 4c. Dividing given 3a plus 2b plus 4c is equal to 0. Dividing on both sides by 4. So that implies 3 by 4 into a plus 1 by 2 into b plus c is equal to 0. This is comparing with, compare with ax plus by plus c is equal to 0, where x is equal to 3 by 4 and y is equal to 1 by 2. So therefore the fixed point is x comma y, that is equal to 3 by 4 comma 1 by 2. This is the fixed point passing through the given lines. Question number 6. The equation of straight line passing through the foot of the perpendicular of 4 comma 5 onto x-axis and the image of the same point with respect to y-axis. So that's why we're taking a diagram. This is the coordinate axis. The given point is 4 comma 5. This is the point 4 comma 5. The equation of the straight line passing through the foot of the perpendicular of 4 comma 5 on x-axis. So that's why we want to find the foot of the perpendicular on xy to this point, that is 4 comma 0 is the foot of the perpendicular from P to x-axis. This is P dash, and the image of the same point with respect to y-axis. So image of 4 comma 5 with respect to y-axis is minus 4 comma 5. This is the image of P dash, just it is Q. The line passing through the foot of the perpendicular and image point. This is the required line equation. We want to find the required line is P dash Q, that is y minus y1 is equal to y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1 into x minus x1. So minus 8y is equal to 5x minus 20. So that implies 5x plus 8y minus 20 is equal to 0. This is the required equation of a line. Question number 8. A minus 1 comma plus 1, B 5 comma 3 are the opposite vertices of a square. Perpendicular distance from 1 comma 2 to the other diagonal which does not pass through AB of the square is. So that's why we are taking capital. Another is this one. So these two diagonals are perpendicular to each other. So slope of AB is y2 minus y1, 3 minus 1 by 5 minus 1 minus plus 1, 2 by 6, that is 1 by 3. Perpendicular slope minus 3. Equation of another diagonal is y minus 2 is equal to minus 3 into x minus 2. So 3x plus y is equal to minus 8 is equal to 0. The perpendicular distance from 1 comma 2 is modulus of 3 plus 2 minus 8 by root of 9 plus 1, that is equal to 3 by root 10.